Hello, welcome crafters, welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to be here with you guys. Today we'll be using the Jewelry Shoppe handmade pre-rolled slab. It's the oven baked polymer clay. It does have the instructions. It is pretty easy to follow. And I'll also be using these clay texture sheets. It's a two-piece. It is double-sided and they are so cute. They do have other options to choose from. Same with the clay. You can choose any color they have. So let's get started. When I went to go choose the colors I wanted, I went with these just because they look so pretty and they're just different from what I usually use. And everything is from Hobby Lobby. Oh no. Okay, don't do what I just did. Clean your tools, okay? Hold on one second. Alright, so these are rolled out and they are really nice. They're not sticky. One of them was sticky a little bit, but it's way better now. So yes, I want to try out two different techniques. The first one will just be like an ombre effect. I'm just going to go ahead and cut half of it, and then we will pass it through the roller and try and make an ombre design, and then we will be using a texture sheet, and that's it for the first design. The second one will be cutting them up into little tiny pieces, putting some adhesive and mixing them together with some foil, and that's it. So yeah, let's try it out and see what we get. Alrighty, I am a little nervous because I don't know how it'll turn out. Hopefully it doesn't get too mixed up and not like, you can't like not see the ombre. Yep, just messed it up. Let's cut that piece off. And let's keep working it, I guess. So this is what we have. It's nice, but I'm gonna take a bigger piece just because I want something a little bit bigger. I think I cut off too much of it. So let's go ahead and do this one more time, but with a bigger piece. Alright, let's go ahead and roll them together a little bit. And now we are going to join these together to try and make just one solid piece. I think I should, yeah, make it even completely. Same with this piece. And then roll them by hand for a second and then pass them through the roller. See? Yep. That's a good idea, hopefully. And pass it through again. Just do this a couple times until we get a nice ombre effect. Okay, so after like literally like 20 minutes of rolling this out, this is what I came up with. I'm not sure, I'm not too good at doing ombres. It's not the best, but it looks really nice. The other thing is I just couldn't get enough of like a bigger slice because I didn't want to use all like the whole slab on just this because I want to do two different techniques. So this is the amount that I will be using for this part. So let's go ahead with the next thing, which is the texture sheet. And so this originally is $6.99, but it was 50% off. So check your local Hobby Lobby for the sales that they've got. They change their sales like weekly. And these are double-sided, which is really cool. This is the first side, the second, the third, and the fourth. So I do like all of them. They're really unique and different, and the material seems really good. It's like a soft bendable plastic. I like it so far. And yeah, there's 4 total designs. There was another set, but I grabbed this one because the designs on this one like called my name. But yes, I will be using, I think, this side because it's just, I don't know, it's just like winter vibes. So I want to go with this side instead. If you guys want me to try out the other sides, let me know down in the comments. And yeah, let's go ahead and just press this and then see what else we can do. And now I will just grab my roller and just like roll it on there so that we get the design printed on there. I am putting some pressure, and let's see what it looks like. We need to do just a little bit more pressure because this clay, it is soft, but it's not too soft like Sculpey 3 I think is. Yeah, that's a really soft one. This one is soft but not as much. Okay, how about now? Yes, that's what we needed. Okay, let's do just a tad more on this side. Ooh, that looks really pretty. I like that. But let's first cut off these parts because we don't need them. Just look at that. That's awesome. I love it. It's really nice and super easy to do. There is a small gold foil. I don't even know where it came from. But yeah, okay. Let's go ahead and I'm going to be using... Let me go get my cutters because I'm not sure what I want to use. So I got 3 different ones. Let's see how many we can actually fit because yeah, we are limited. So I'm going to use the really pretty bubble-ish design. It's like a marquee bubbly thing. And then we have a teardrop and then this rectangle. Okay, so I did another one because I really did like that, and I don't know if I should try a different design or... Yeah, let's go ahead and try a different one, a different texture. So let's go ahead with this one. And let's do it one more time and see what we get. Remember, put some pressure because yeah, it's what's gonna make it look really textured. This time that slab was way quicker to make because I wasn't as nervous of like messing it up if it didn't turn out good, because I was just nervous that I was gonna waste the product. But now I did it literally in like 2-3 minutes and it was way faster. Ew, that's awesome. I love it. I really love it. That's what it looks like up close. And let's give it just a tiny bit of a roll like that, just not even touching it barely, because yeah, you don't want to ruin the texture. Okay, let's do some of these. I think these are going to be my favorite ones because they are beautiful. So I am way happier with this second slab. I don't know, they just look way better. Okay, so I am pretty happy with these. They could be better, obviously, because there are a little bit of just some spots where I could have put more pressure on the texture, and then I did accidentally put my hand or my finger on top of some and just ruin a little bit of the texture. So yes, they are not perfect, but I am pretty happy with how they are looking. Next time that I do this, I do have a better idea. So yes, and if you guys have any comments on what I should do to better them, let me know in the comments. And let's start with the next project. So what I want to do is pretty much just cut these up into small pieces. First, I will roll them up into a little ball. So I ended up rolling them into little thick sausages. So what we're going to be doing now is just grabbing the amount you want to use. I don't want to use too much because I could save this for another project, and I'm not really going to make too many earrings out of these because I don't need them. I've got too much. So I'm just going to grab about this much. Then these right here I will be saving for future projects such as scrap projects or just different colored earrings in the future. So now I'm just literally going to roll them up into tiny little sausages, and then I will slice them into little pieces. So I was going to do the idea that I said first in the beginning of the video of me just slicing them up into pieces, rolling them up with foil and all that, but now I want to change it up a little bit. I am still going to use the foil, so let me grab that. I'm going to be using silver foil, and I will be rolling them up into the foil itself. You guys will see. And I'm just inventing. Okay, just trying new things out, you know, because why not? That's why this channel is what it is, okay? So yeah, fold them up like that. I could have done that one a little bit better. Sorry about that. But yeah, it's just foil. Especially like very thin foil is so annoying to like deal with. It just bends and gets stuck together so easily. Could look better, I know. So that's the best it's gonna get. And now what I want to do is pretty much roll them up together, just twist them up. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. So now I did put it in the freezer for a little bit, maybe 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and slice into it and see what we've got. Ooh, that's so pretty. And I did put a lot of foil because I want you to be able to see it, because usually I put some and you can barely see it. But this is looking super pretty. I wish I would have done more now. Like, it looks so pretty. That's fine. Let me roll this one out to be a little bit more flat. Yep. Same with these other ones. And I didn't put adhesive this time. Usually I do, but I literally just forgot about it. But who knows how it'll turn out now. Hopefully it'll stick together. That's super pretty. And so shiny. So now I know I'm going to add way more foil to my projects. Just look at how that shines. It's like leaving me blind. So I will be passing it through the roller just once, just so we get the perfect thickness for earrings. And that's it. This is the back side, which I will not be using. I'll be using this side. Actually, I'm going to do it once more just so that's not, because there's like some crack. So let's just pass it once more. And that should make them all stick together. Yep, and that was better. So yeah, that was a better choice to do that. Now let's go ahead and just roll once lightly like that. Literally not even too much pressure. And let's get our cutters. Wow, so these I definitely love way more than the other design, just because, you know, foil and glitter always look so pretty. And these cutters, I don't know, they look really, really nice. Especially, like, it looks like a really nice marble design, and they just pop. So it's perfect. And yes, I'm gonna go bake all of these. Alrighty, crafters, so this is before baking and this is afterwards. And as you can see, there is a color change. Like, they look really nice, but yes, colors did change, and they are very, very, like, as you can see, bendable. So that's not good. I had it baking for 4 hours, literally, and it's still very, very bendable, like flexible. So that's not a good thing. But hey, I decided on just adding some resin and seeing if that helped. I don't like doing the resin. It's not my favorite part because it takes so long. But the result always turns out so beautiful, so shiny, and I love it. It is a little bit still like flexible, but it is manageable, and I did end up finishing these earrings because they're just so pretty. And this is the result. I did love them. There were a few that I did not like too much, just because like the filing part was a little difficult to do since it was very flexible, and it didn't bake good. I'm not sure why, because it was in there for 4 hours. But I did enjoy, or like not enjoy, but I did love what they looked like. And I don't necessarily recommend this brand just because in my experience they did not bake well. The colors are beautiful, but I'm not sure. I might give it another try with maybe other colors, but hey, at least I ended up trying this out and I enjoyed the process, and the result is beautiful. It's not the best. But hey, thank you for watching me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.